Pour the milk into old bread and you will not believe the result. To start our recipe, I will add 1.5 cups of sugar in a pan to caramelize. I will stir so that our recipe does not exceed the ideal point, and when it is at this point, I will add 1 cup of water and continue stirring until it becomes a caramel syrup. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Paulina Malala from Boksburg in South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, I will add our caramel syrup in a tin, and with the help of a spatula, I will spread all our caramel syrup throughout the tin. I'm sure you and your whole family will love this recipe. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I will love to know. To continue our recipe, I will add in a blender 2 whole breads and 3 cups of milk. Next, I will add 3 eggs, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar and 200 g of heavy cream, and finally 200 milliliters of coconut milk. I have no doubt that this recipe will surprise you. Now I'm going to beat everything in the blender. Guys, this recipe has become one of my favorites since the first time I made it. I'm sure it will be part of your routine too. Finally, I will put our mixture in the form together with the caramel syrup. Whenever I do it here at home, there's nothing left. Now, I'm going to put a foil over the shape, like this, covering the entire surface. And I will put this first shape inside another container a little bigger. Now I will add water until it is covered halfway. I doubt you've ever tasted anything as delicious as this bread pudding. Now I will take the recipe to the oven and leave for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. After passing the 40 minutes, I will take our pudding out of the oven and cool. Now I will take the recipe to the oven and leave for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. After spending the 40 minutes, I will take our pudding out of the oven, and with the help of a knife, I will drop our recipe of forma. Finally, I will turn our recipe into another container. Okay, look how our bread pudding was delicious. Saw how incredibly easy it is to prepare. Make in your home. I'm sure everyone will love this recipe. I have no doubt that your friends and family will want to know all the details of how to make this wonderful bread pudding. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye.